Hello, my name is Steve Lombardo, Group Vice President of Sales for Star Manufacturing, APW Wyatt, and Baker's Pride Group. Today we're going to show you how to service and troubleshoot our two-sided grills. These are our models GR14 SPTK and PSC14 DTB as used by KFC and Taco Bell. How to replace the transformer. Disconnect the unit from its power source. Remove the grease drawer. Flip the unit upside down to get access to the bottom of the unit. Remove the 4 feet and remove the 5 Phillips screws on the bottom cover and remove the cover. Disconnect terminals from the transformer with needle nose plier. Then we're going to remove 2 5/16" nuts and remove the transformer. Install the new transformer over studs and secure with the 2 5/16" nuts. Next, reinstall the transformer wires, confirming that they're fully seated onto the terminals. Flip the unit over onto its feet, being careful to hold on to the 2 top lids so they don't spring open during the process. Plug the unit into the power supply. The two-sided grills produced since September of 2018 feature a diagnostics tool to ensure the wiring is correct to all of the internal components. To run the diagnostics, with the power off, press and hold the first button on the left display and turn the power on. The diagnostics feature will test the bottom platen first, the top left platen second, and the top right platen third. If all 3 zones are correct, the display will show PAS. If there is a wiring issue, the display will show FAIL. When the test of each individual zone is complete, press the first button to begin the test of the next zone. At the completion of testing of all 3 zones, turn the unit off and turn it back on again for normal operation.